Oh, hi. Welcome to Franco's Science Experiment. Welcome to Franco's Experiments. So, we're gonna make this white snow I made, but with this white snow I made. But today we're not gonna just do white pretend snow. We're gonna do purple snow. So, the ingredients you need are a spoon. The instant snow. And all the topics you need to do it is a spoon, a science cup, and for the final part, the beaker with only one line of water below the 60. And now let's get working. So, first topics you need, the secret topics are red and blue color. Because we're not just gonna do red or blue, we're gonna do purple by mixing the red and the blue or the blue and the red to make purple. One, two, three, 4. So you'll need 4 drops of this blue color that I already made them. So now you only need the purple master, which is red. 4 drops of red too. And you're gonna see that the color will be mixed. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. See how the color got mixed together and made purple? Well, now when I mix them with my spoon, all the purple will be in the whole cup. Just wait until you see it. See? Now I mixed it with the spoon, and now it's purple. So, and now to make the purple snow, we need the instant snow. A small or a big one. And now, just pour the instant snow powder on your purple one. And now, you just wait for a fast moment. Just so you could add a little, one more. Bigger, better. See that? Whichever time I add more of the powder of instant snow, the bigger the snow gets. So, that's the purple snow we're making today. So now, so the powder goes away, we just need to mix it up with the spoon. Well, it's super hard, so mix it with all your strength. And now the purple snow is finished. Just pour it in the science cup. Like this, with your spoon. Pouring a big scoop of purple snow. Or you can make any color snow, but just with liquid colors or sprinkle colors, which is the yummiest or the coloriest part to make. Yes.